Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Laura, this is Rebecca, and this week we're joined by Emma.
So today we are talking about 2023 wedding hair trends, and to help us with that, so we are joined by Emma, by Makeup by Emma, who also does hairstyling, so she knows what she's talking about because she works with brides and grooms, I assume too, all the time. So we've asked her for expertise as to what is coming in hairstyling for weddings next year. So if you feel free to share with us a bit about you and what you do.
Cool, I am Emma, I'm Makeup by Emar, and I've been doing hair and makeup for about 12 years with the wedding industry and other places as well. But lots of weddings, especially this year, so looking forward to next year with all these fun trends coming out, so I'll talk to them today.
Yeah, so you've gone ahead and done a few different styles on some mannequins for us, haven't you, as well? As she's pre-done my hair for you as well here, so I'll show you a bit of that later. But yeah, I don't know which one you may start with.
We'll start with this one, the low bun. So this is always a classic style anyway for brides. It's coming back, especially sleek, because we've had a lot of texture, and that'll still be in fashion anyway, but on the runways especially, it's all slick back. So this is going to be coming in, and you can wear it anyhow. You can wear it quite low, or you can wear it up here, or ones that on top of your head as well, they're still fashionable. But yeah, the low sleek bun, and then if you'd want a veil, you'd just pop it in the top bit there, and then
I guess that's quite an easy style to wear with a veil too, for it just to sit there quite nicely. And
and easy. It's all off your face. You can have bits coming down if you want any, little short bits coming down. A lot of people do.
Sort of soften it around the face a bit, kind of thing.
Yeah, like what we've done.
Like this.
So yeah, that's the first one.
That's cool. I like it. Yeah, like you say, just the sort of slightly modern twist on a very classic.
Yeah, and you can still have that with texture if you want it as well. Yeah. Another classic look is waves. So this is a proper vintagey sort of look, but with the proper S-weave, Hollywood glamour. So
it does have that vibe.
It's literally never going to go out of fashion. But I've done this doll's head in the proper way of classic way basically, but you can wear it bigger if you wanted, backcomb it a bit more so it's more fuller, or this is just an example of some weaves, and then having the grip there as well. That's always looks nice.
And it's very different to kind of the beachy waves, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it a different method of making?
Yeah. So with this, you have to curl all the curls the same way, but with beach waves, you do alternate, so it's a bit more natural and flowing. This is a bit more
of the glam look to do it this way.
Yeah. And having a bit of volume at the front is nice, when it comes over here a bit. But no, that's always going to be in fashion, but waves are going to be coming in, and also wearing your hair down.
Right.
As a bride, that's going to be a lot more chilled vibes. So probably not this sort of style, but wearing your hair down is going to be good.
Okay.
Whether that be these waves or beachy waves.
Yeah.
And still in terms of partings and stuff, it is the sort of off to the side still.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, for this particular style, obviously, because it's one behind each ear, tucked up, it's nice to have it in a side parting. But you can do them in a middle parting or whatever you fancy. Yeah. yeah, linking in with the waves. So ponytails are coming back. I've done quite a lot this year already, but they're going to be all the rage next year. So I've done the same sort of waving here with the ponytail on Becky's hair. I swooped it over because she doesn't have many like short bits to come out. But like if you had like more shorter bits like to face frame, you could easily do that, or you could have it all back, such as that. But we thought it was nice to have a little bit of something around your face.
And you were saying in another video we talked about answering your wedding hair questions, which will, if it's come out already, we'll link it. If not, watch out for that. That the ponytail maybe isn't a style you'd wear a veil with. Is that right?
Yeah. Just because you don't get the benefit of seeing what it is underneath. I mean, you can wear a veil with it, but it's not one of the ones where you could just be like, pop it in.
No. And is there some types of like hair accessories that kind of work better with this kind of style than others? Like
the ones on like grips and like pins, because then you can just place them in. Like you wouldn't really be able to get a hair vine in there unless you did something else around the top, like a plait or something. If you wanted like something flowing throughout the plait, but yeah, mainly like ones on pins where you can just stick them in, really.
Yeah, no, I quite liked how you kind of like followed the line of the design and the back of these pins as well. So but you've got sort of another like semi kind of ponytail.
Yes, so this one's more boho look. So yeah, this is coming back to like adding texture. So it's a bit more messy. The boho brides out there. This has got bits around the face as well. Adding some plaits as well around here, which are still in fashion. And then it comes down to like a sort of bubble braid sort of thing, which is going to be like all the rage. So think like Jasmine from Aladdin, like her big hair like that is going to be, all over the aisles.
All over the aisles. Your very own catwalk.
Yeah. So that's an option if you like a ponytail, but a bit more something going on with it, and like you can add twists and stuff, or
I really like the sort of the twist plaits kind of look on.
There's a lot of detail in that, isn't there?
It's
a lot
different.
Having a play.
No. And the hairpiece works really well with this style too, doesn't it? Like weaving it across the top there.
Yeah. Grecian.
Yes. Yeah, that's what it is. But
so yeah, that's another option. And then if you also like plaits, we can go into the next one. So coming back is the halo plait. So I've just done a halo plait all the way around, and then I've put in some like peel pins. So they're like just to bring it out a bit.
Yeah, sort of make it pop around the edge.
Yeah. But adding like fake or real flowers you can do, and then it becomes like a flower crown but with hair. That's going to be...
That's clever.
It's going to be all the range. But yeah, I think that would be nice for like also boho brides.
Yeah.
And brides that want to keep the hair out of the face as well, like you can obviously tuck some bits. But it's a style that you don't have to worry about either, because it's just there. Like you can dance the night away with it and not have to faff about. Whether like if you had your hair down, you might have to be a bit more like, oh. But no, these ones are nice to be carefree. So yeah.
No, I like that one a lot. I think that's my favourite.
Aww.
Okay. I'd be happy with any of those, I think.
Well, yes. That's a more diplomatic answer.
Love it. Good.
Do you have a favourite style that you like to do?
I do like doing updos, just because you get to play. But I do love doing these, and I love doing these, but also like more of a mermaidy one, which I can show you like those pictures over there.
Okay, well, inserting pictures here.
In pictures. So like they're always fun to do, and that can obviously have a hair vine in it, just to like flow the style through, and all of that. That's my favourite one to do anyway. But yeah.
So, were there any other styles you wanted to talk about that we can?
Half up, half down styles, they're always a winner.
Like you can't decide whether you want it up or down. You're like,
yeah, literally. So you can do that with any sort of hair. Like obviously not a pixie cut, but from like collarbone maybe all the way down. So that's just easy, and even for bridesmaids, that's just one that you can be like, oh, just have half up, half down. Or you can go more outrageous if you're a bride and have like more detail. If everyone wanted half up, half down, then you do more on your bridal one, and then maybe bridesmaids just like a twist or something to like pin it up.
Are you finding sort of in the current, like 2023, is it going to be like that bridesmaids do tend to have like matching or very similar hairstyles to one another, or are people be more individualistic with their personal taste? Like what are you seeing more of? Do you think
it's a mixture?
It is.
Yeah. In fact, most of my brides have been like, oh, just have them do whatever they want. No, a bit more chilled. But it's nice. It depends what like vibe you want to go for. Like if you want everyone matching and everyone's like for the photos and everything. But yeah, a lot of the brides are just like, yeah, let them have whatever they want. And like sometimes it does end up them all being the same because everyone wants the same.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter. But yeah.
So we hope we've given you some ideas and inspiration maybe for your wedding hair for next year and beyond. A big thank you to Emma for talking us through. We'll leave all her links below so you can go and check out her work. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and we'll see you next time.